In this video, we will demonstrate the basic functions of adding a data slicer to the graph. Here is a gas mileage versus engine displacement graph for car companies from all countries. Click on the Data Filter button to open the Add Slicer to Graph dialog. Choose Country for column 1. Make sure that Show Filter in Legend is checked and click OK. A slicer panel is added on the left panel to show one country at a time. The filter info also shows in the legend. You can click on the filter to easily change to show another country. To select multiple countries, first right-click on the filter to turn on multiple selection. Then, when you click the filter, you can select multiple countries. If later you change your mind on what you want to filter, and say you want to filter by car maker, right-click on the filter and select Change Filter Column and select Make. There's also a context menu to disable and enable the filter. Click the double arrow icon to hide or show your slicer panel. Click the X button to hide the slicer panel together with the double arrow toggle. Please note that this doesn't remove the filter. You can later reopen the slicer panel by the Data Slicer button on the page level by a mini toolbar. Click the Data Filter button to remove the slicer completely from your graph. Control Z to undo is supported right after you remove your filter. And that concludes the video. Happy plotting.